Alright, welcome back. The fireworks show is seconds away from starting. And can't wait for that first blast. It's just an amazing show. 10 minutes, but it certainly pays off. It's just an amazing place to be. They've got the fuse lit. I see the fuse. Dad, I see a flare. Here we go. It's time. Here we go. Here we go. The Medilodge fireworks is starting. Wow. How amazing is that? Wow. Oh. This is beautiful. Much better than last year's. This is only the beginning. Get the sense of how beautiful these are in person. Oh, half and half. Oh my God. It's just so amazing. Here it comes. Oh! These are the most amazing fireworks Balloonfest has ever had. Oh! How amazing. I love the green ones, they're just so cool. Wow. That is for you, Struts TV. Oh! Oh my goodness. These are lower ones. You never really get the sense of how beautiful these are in person. Those are really cool. Oh! That royal blue is just so amazing. Never seen so good of color in these fireworks. Never seen royal blue. These are very cool. Headphones are really helping this year, though. Oh my gosh. Wow. Those really loud ones. Oh. You never get. Ow. Amazing show. most amazing thing. This is one of the coolest places you can see a fireworks show. So head on up to Michigan Challenge sometime. Wow. Little clusters.
It's like a firefly.
You have got to be kidding me. Oh, bright red. I mean, I've never seen that. And this coloration is so awesome. Woo! Bright orange. Very clever, Medilodge. Very clever. Oh. They pulled off the little small boom trick last year where they just did those small booms, which was extremely right there. Those are the bombs. Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh. I love those cluster spreading ones, they're just so cool. Oh, the whistlers! Nice trick, Medilodge, nice trick. So beautiful. Woo! Finale! Crashing. I missed that. Bomb trick. This is for Starts TV right now. That's so cool. I hate those bomb ones, they're just so loud. Oh, so amazing. I really still like the royal blue ones right now though. even though the clusters are cool. That's gotta go on the top 10. Malfunction. This had a malfunction on the ground and fireworks just shot everywhere. These are my favorite now. They may not be rockets, but wow, they're rainbows and rockets at the same time. I've always said throw rockets, not rainbows in baseball. Now I can throw both of them, remembering that. These are so amazing. The gold. Oh, rockets. Rocket Whistler Cross. Very, very nice. Some of these are looking like starfish at the edge. What a show. One just malfunctioned. Ooh, glad that one didn't. Oh. This is just so cool. Whoa! Ooh. Is this the same trick? They thought this was. People thought this was the finale last year. It's a trick. It's like a Christmas in July. It's a Christmas in June. Gold, green, and red. It's Christmas in June. Yeah. It's Christmas. How do you go blue? Spartans and Michigan all together. That's cool. Whoa! Those cluster ones are so cool. I always love enjoying these Medilodge fireworks. This is my third year seeing them. And every year they just get way better. Like, I've never seen them like this before. Whoa. Sorry. Woohoo! So a little 15-minute show, but it's amazing. So cool. Gum. It's amazing.
Here we go.
Here we go. Finale. I think. Nope. Oh, how amazing is this finale? Woo! What a show! And thanks for watching Stress TV. You're watching Stress TV. See you tomorrow for the fly-in.